Have you ever deployed your Spring Boot application only to find that it doesn't work as expected? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling the issue of Thymeleaf views not being located after deploying to Heroku. I completely understand how annoying it is when your app runs perfectly on localhost, but fails to find its views once deployed. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when moving their applications to Heroku. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why does my Spring Boot app not locate its Thymeleaf views on Heroku?" They mentioned that their app's controller stops seeing the views located in the templates directory. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So what could be causing this issue? When deploying to Heroku, the file structure and how resources are accessed can change. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help ensure your Thymeleaf views are always found after deployment. To address the issue of Thymeleaf views not being located on Heroku, the user should first ensure that the templates are included in the build. This can be done by checking the structure of the project. Next, the user should confirm that the Thymeleaf dependency is correctly included in the project's build file. This is essential for Thymeleaf to function properly. After confirming the dependency, the user should check the Heroku logs to see if there are any errors related to the Thymeleaf views during deployment. This can provide insights into what might be going wrong. Finally, if the views are still not being located, the user may want to consider adjusting the configuration settings in their application. This includes ensuring that the view resolver is set up correctly. Did you know? Heroku was originally built to host Ruby applications, but now it supports many languages, including Java. It's a powerful platform, but it does have its quirks. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests checking how you are deploying your application. If you're deploying as a jar file, consider switching to a WAR file. Some infrastructures require this to access the web page directory properly. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always double-check your resource paths and build configurations before deploying. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. Your Spring Boot app should now be able to locate its Thymeleaf views on Heroku. Remember, checking your project structure and build configurations is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus tip on optimizing your Heroku deployments.